Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where it says no NVIDIA GPU is detected on your system, right? Especially on Windows 11. So first up, what you need to do is just go ahead and check your device manager. Okay, go ahead and find your start menu, right click on it and click on device manager. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find display adapters right here. If it doesn't show up in here, go ahead and go to the view tab. Okay, and what you'll do is just go ahead and click on show hidden devices. Now, if you'll be able to find under display adapters your specific graphics card and it's grayed out, all you need to do is just right click on it and just enable it. Okay, and once it's enabled, or it's already enabled, you can go ahead and right click on it again and click on update driver. Now click on browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick and then choose the signature for your specific graphics card. Now go ahead and click on next. Wait for it. All right, you must have noticed that your screen may turn black, okay, and it will eventually turn back on. So that means that the NVIDIA drivers is now installed properly, okay? Now, if it still doesn't fix the issue, you can go ahead and close this one. Go to your search bar. Now type in software update, okay, or system update. Now click on check for updates, and then here, if there are available updates, okay, go ahead and install it. Wait for the process to finish, and once done, go to advanced options, and then here click on optional updates. And here, this is where mostly of your graphics drivers, your sound drivers, any drivers, okay, are actually located. So make sure that everything right here in this list is installed. And once done, go ahead and restart the computer. And after that, you should be good to go. All right. Now, if that still will work, the last thing you need to do is go ahead and reinstall the NVIDIA drivers or the NVIDIA apps. Okay. So just go ahead over to your search bar. Now type in add or remove programs. There you go. Click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and find any NVIDIA related application or software. Click on three dots, hit on install. Do the same with NVIDIA apps right here. Okay, and once that's done, just open up your favorite browser. Okay, now go ahead and find NVIDIA drivers. Okay, hit on enter. Now in here, just download the official NVIDIA drivers from nvidia.com. Okay, and here you have the manual search drivers, or you can go ahead and click on gamers or creators right here. Follow simple prompts, and once done, don't forget to restart your computer. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.